This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine effectively. First, ensure you choose creatine monohydrate, as it's the most researched and proven form. Many people start with a loading phase, taking about 20 grams daily, divided into 4 5-gram servings for 5 to 7 days. This helps saturate your muscles quickly. Always mix your creatine powder thoroughly with a liquid like water or juice for best absorption. Once your loading phase is complete, transition to a maintenance dose. This is usually 3 to 5 grams of creatine per day. The most important aspect is consistency, so try to take it around the same time daily. While some prefer it before or after workouts, the timing isn't critical for its long-term benefits. Just make sure you don't miss your daily dose to keep your muscle stores saturated. Proper hydration is crucial when supplementing with creatine. Make sure to drink ample water throughout the day to support kidney function and prevent dehydration. Creatine is widely considered safe for healthy adults when taken as directed. However, if you have any pre-existing kidney conditions or other health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. To truly maximize the benefits of creatine, pair its use with a consistent resistance training program. This synergy helps enhance strength and muscle mass. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet, especially one rich in protein, will further support your fitness goals. While not essential for everyone, some individuals choose to cycle creatine, taking breaks from supplementation, but continuous use is also common and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.